If this quarantine is having you constantly thinking about giving yourself a hair transformation, you've come to the right place. With the never-ending color choices and techniques, we know just how difficult it can be to pick one that perfectly matches you, but that's where we come in. We'll be taking you through some of the most sought-after hair colors and styles in 2020 and tell you which one will suit you the most. Check your veins to see if your arms appear blue or purple. If so, you have a cool skin tone. If they look greenish blue, you're warm. And if it's a mix of both, you're neutral. Have you noticed the finish of a piece of jewelry looking different against your skin? That's because silver complements a cool undertone, while gold looks stunning on warmer skin. The general rule of thumb is those with a warm skin tone look great with warm hair colors. If you want to keep it natural, chocolate, ash and medium browns will look amazing on you. Golds, beige, caramels are some of the best shades for this tone if you're looking to go lighter than your natural hair color. Go bold with a stunning red if you wish, but make sure it's blue based to complement your skin tone. Take a risk in 2020 with a plush pink blonde that's going to make your skin glow just as much as a purple blue concoction. And if you're worried about not liking it, just go in with a semi-permanent color so it washes off in 8 to 10 shampoos. Amp up the look of your virgin hair with the mahogany or chestnut brown. And if you want to go darker, a burgundy is going to give you amazing results. Going lighter, stick to ashy blondes that complement your skin tone. In my experience, if you want to go all out, the best way to do so is by trying out fun highlights. If you have a neutral skin tone, you can rock just about anything, so let your imagination run wild and start exploring. 2020 has made quite a few of us say goodbye to our long tresses because the most trending hairstyle of the year across the world is a long bob. You can even try an asymmetrical version of it for a fuller look or go chin length for a fuss-free look. Now if you've spent all quarantine growing out that hair using various hair oils and DIY potions, you don't need to go short. Opt for one length hair, it instantly adds an ounce of elegance. A great addition to any haircut or face shape this year is a pair of side bangs. They can be worn straight or curly and frame your face to make it look both feminine and sexy. Highlights and baby lights have been around for a while now and don't plan on going anywhere. They bring loads of dimension to a flat hair color and give your skin a natural glow. Just remember to pick any ashy tones of blonde if you're cool toned and warm caramels if you're warm toned. Another rage is the balayage hair color technique that adds a natural multi-tonal finish to your hair that uses patches of light and shade to create multiple dimensions in the color. As compared to highlights, the regrowth of your hair after balayage will be a lot less noticeable. Basically, it's a very low maintenance hairdo. Take a walk on the wild side and go in for an ombre if you wish, picking your match from one of the colors we listed above. This is the most budget-friendly of the techniques and gives you the freedom to keep changing up the color while obviously avoiding a harsh root line when the color grows out. Now that you have all the information you need, go pick one of these hairstyles or colors to give yourself a makeover this season. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.